I'm very excited about your R&M podium. I think the last one happened pre-pandemic and I really enjoyed that one.
Today, I extend a very warm welcome to each of you to the 5th edition of R&M Podium, an initiative by Realty and More.
Without wasting much time, I would like the proceedings to start, and so I would request Sanjay sir to come and say a few words and welcome words to us.
I am thankful to the organizers, Palash, for inviting me. Time has come that we try and finish in a span of next 12 months to 18 months, maybe 24 months, and try to close all these legacy issue projects.
मैं संजय जी का अपने सारे फ्रेटर्निटी, अपने क्रेडाई डेवलपर्स सभी की तरफ से थैंक यू करना चाहता हूँ। आप यहाँ आए अपना समय निकाल के।
लेकिन सर ने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट उठाया है कि टेक्नोलॉजी, वी हैव टू चेंज द टेक्नोलॉजी एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट।
What COVID did in that time was to bring out all of that pent-up demand of 10 years, and it just boomeranged like that.
Whatever I have done in 20 years, all of them have done in 20 months, or maybe Deepak Yadav must have done in 2 months, no? That kind of leasing. I worked for one mall for 20 years, so they have done so many transactions.
आने वाले टाइम के अंदर जो है किस तरह के मॉल जो है वो सस्टेन करेंगे और उनका ब्रांड मिक्स जो है वो कैसे चेंज होगा.
We want the investors to benefit as well as the retailers to be taken care of.
Whole pocket of residential sales. I think most people have now want to upgrade. So there are a lot of people who owned houses and they want to upgrade to the next level, and therefore there is a demand which is there to stay.
By 2024 it's gonna be a normal thing, but 2025 there should be some breaks into the selling part.
Thank you so much once again. Hope to see you very soon, as this is going to be a periodic podium.
There's a need for such more events so that we all can come together and exchange our ideas.
I think it was wonderful. I think the whole event was really well arranged, organized, especially the kind of people, the kind of profile of people who were there attending the whole event was wonderful. So we really enjoyed it.